Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress blocks. Blocks are the core of modern WordPress content creation, offering a flexible and intuitive way to build your pages and posts. Instead of a single, large text field, you now work with individual content pieces, like paragraphs, images, and headings. This modular system empowers you to design sophisticated layouts with remarkable ease, providing precise control over every element on your site. Understanding blocks is key to unlocking WordPress's full potential. Adding blocks is straightforward. Simply click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area, to open the block inserter. Here, you can search for a specific block, like image or heading, or explore categories to find what you need. Once a block is added, you can easily move it around. Use the drag handle to reposition it anywhere on your page, or utilize the up and down arrows in the block toolbar for fine-tuned adjustments, ensuring your content flows exactly as intended. Every block comes with its own set of customization options, found in the settings sidebar on the right. Here, you can fine-tune various aspects, from changing text colors and background hues to adjusting font sizes and line heights. You can also control spacing with precise padding and margin settings, often in units like pixels or percentages. For more advanced users, adding custom CSS classes allows for even deeper styling, giving you complete creative control over your content's appearance and layout. Beyond the basics, WordPress blocks offer powerful advanced features. Reusable blocks are a game changer. Create a block once, save it, and then insert it anywhere on your site, ensuring consistency and saving you valuable time. Block patterns provide pre-designed sections, like a contact form or a hero image, which you can insert and customize in just a few clicks. For efficiency, learn keyboard shortcuts, such as typing a / and the block name, to insert blocks at lightning speed, boosting your workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.